In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable sticky keys on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select where it says accessibility. And then on the right side, scroll down underneath interaction where it says keyboard. And there should be an option underneath sticky, filter, and toggle keys to enable or toggle the sticky key section to the on position. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.